video, I'll walk you through configuring the WPF version of orders.com, which consumes HTTP data proxies that interact with services hosted by the WebAPI project, which in turn is configured to consume in-memory data proxies. Let's navigate over to the solution and open up the WPF project and navigate to Window, Main Window, XAML, and locate the main window loaded event and ensure that configure HttpClient is invoked. Let's navigate over to that method. In this method, we have business services that are instantiated and injected with our set of HTTP service proxies. Let's navigate to order items HTTP service proxy and locate the ship async method, which will be invoked by the WPF application. The next thing to do is locate the WebAPI project and open up the dependency injection config file. This file contains configuration information about our proxies and our services, and they'll be dynamically instantiated and injected into our controllers via dependency injection. What we need to ensure is that the in-memory data proxy section is uncommented, in which it is. So let's move on to setting a breakpoint in our order items controller to ensure that the ship method is invoked. And because the WebAPI project is currently configured to use in-memory data proxies, let's go ahead and locate our in-memory project in our order item repository and ensure that ship is invoked by our controller. Let's go ahead and run the application. So the last thing I forgot to mention is that we need to set up the startup projects. So let's go ahead and do that. Now that they're set, let's go ahead and run. We'll edit this order. We'll save it, ship it, submit it, and ship it. And as you can see, ship async was invoked in our order items HTTP service proxy. Let's go ahead and continue. And that takes us to our web API project into our order items controller into the ship method. And let's go ahead and continue one more time. And indeed, our ship method of our in-memory implementation of order item repository was invoked. Thanks for tuning in.